welcome you to today's presentation brought to you by the Society of Decision Professionals and Strategic Decisions Group, which is entitled The AI Advantage Embracing AI in Decision Making.
Excellent. So I'd like to start off the discussion with a question, and I'll direct it first to you, Beaumont. How do you see artificial intelligence being utilized today in strategic planning and long-term decision making in particular, but just in helping guide large, important decisions within organizations?
Yeah, so just to caveat, I don't have a view over some of the traditional decision sciences realms of, pharmaceutical and oil and gas. I mostly am in fintech and financial services, and Westcap is a growth private equity fund, so we have a lot of startups. Where AI has been utilized the most really has been focused on numerical data, and I've seen it used in what is called ML ops, which is a form of AI. There are some platforms like DataRobot and H2O and Dataiku where you can put in tons and tons of data, and it will throw 430 different Python libraries and techniques at looking at the data to find a pattern, and then will return a model to you. And to some degree, I think it's still fairly advanced for people to use forecasting models at all, let alone using ML ops to derive them. And then you will run them through Monte Carlo scenarios and whatnot, and get your probability distributions. Again, I think that's kind of advanced practice. I haven't seen a lot of strategy departments adopt that, but and I think what we're starting to see a little bit is people are starting to realize that even if you do that, you're focusing on numerical data. And out of all the data that's stored in most companies, about 5% is some type of structured numerical data. And people focus a lot on that and do a lot of modeling on that, whether it's with spreadsheets or AI or whatever. The new advances since about 2017, 18, with the transformer models, of which ChatGPT is the latest, has the power is that they can unlock human language, unstructured data. And when I'm thinking about things like strategic planning and long-term forecasts, the numeric data is fine. Modeling the markets and modeling interest rates and all that stuff is great. It's necessary. But we would live in a human realm, and most things that are happening are really a matter of human intents and perceptions, desires, and that has always been left out of the equation.